everyone, welcome back to Notion Press at New Delhi World Book Fair 2026. Today we have Mr. Jagnandan Tyagi, author of 3 wonderful books.
I have written, first of all, I thanks for Notion Press publishing my 3 books. The Marshal of Justice, Hindi, The Marshal of Justice in English version, and The Rise to Power in Hindi.
तो सर आपने तीनों कहानियाँ किससे इंस्पायर होकर लिखी है?
So this is Marshal of Justice. It is the present situation in the country regarding the law, regarding the justice. So here my hero of the story is he's a chief justice of the country, and whatever decision he takes, he take with honesty and sincerity, and even the single verdict of him can have changed the politics of the nation.
तो सर आजकल सच में ऐसा होता है रियल लाइफ में?
If it is happen, then only it has come to the mind of somebody. In my mind, I have seen the people are here, but too less. But what is there? See, I am also a senior government officer retired. I have seen if a man want to become honest, remain honest, he can be honest, he can remain the honest.
ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो आपकी ये जो तीनों कहानियाँ हैं, एक तो ये रियल लाइफ इंस्पायर्ड है और दूसरी मोटिवेटिंग भी है।
Motivation.
तो सर आप कोई कुछ बोलना चाहोगे अपने रीडर्स को, अपने ऑथर्स को?
I can request the people, please read the books with the love, with the affection, and with the consideration. This will give you something to you. You will receive something from it. So I request all my readers, so they should read the book from A to Z, and then they can review and they can comment to me if they want. But I tried my level best for the generation to come.
That's great. Thank you so much for the interview, sir. That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.